Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you two different problems. So this first problem that we're looking at is we are finding the sum, might help if I was writing, from 1 to 8 of 5 times I. Now this one is a little easier because you can go ahead and write this out into 5 times 1 plus 5 times 2 all the way to 5 times 8 and then add them all up. So go ahead and do that on your own. Hit pause and then come back. All right, you should have gotten 180 as your answer. We're going to go ahead and do another one. And this one we're going to go ahead and do is, call this one, that first one A, the second one B. This one's going to use our formula because it matches that second formula, sum of first n positive integers. So go ahead, use that formula, press pause, and come back with the answer. All right, if you use the right formula, you should have gotten 6 times 6 plus 1 over 2, and that is 21. All right, hopefully these are making sense. A lot of these will come with practice, so keep working hard on them, and let me know if you need any help.